Hi, I'm Todd Brandon from McGrath Estate Agents and welcome to 13 Olympic Avenue here in Gracemere. If you're looking for a home that's better than the rest and a real champion style property, this is the one. Take a quick tour. If you love the Queensland entertaining lifestyle just as much as me, you're going to love this outdoor space with tall bar, barbecue, a connection to the outdoor space that's child and pet friendly, and it flows seamlessly to this open plan living space. This home's certainly been built for champions. 13 Olympic Avenue is one of a kind. If you deserve a property that you would love to entertain in, give the team at McGrath a call today. We would love to help you out.